Guess what time it is? Oh my gosh, I look forward to this like every single day. It's pretty great. So it's time to open another one of these cute little doors and get a supply. We have completed days 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now it's time for day 6, which was very easy to find because it happens to be the first box. I usually have a hard time finding these. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so it looks like we have another stamp. And this one looks like a dragonfly. Oh boy, how am I gonna make a dragonfly Christmas themed? Well, I guess, let's go find out. I apologize for the tardiness of this video. I had some unexpected, things come up, shall we say. I had to do a little bit of traveling that I didn't plan on, so I didn't have time to get them out in a timely fashion, but never fear, I am planning on releasing 2 a day until I am caught up. I do actually have an idea for this, as random as a dragonfly seems. We're gonna try and just ink everything except the tail. Oh, actually, hey, that's not bad. Let me see. I want just that much of the wing inked up. Actually, that's not bad. Kind of figuring out what I'm doing yet? It looks like a blob of dragonflies, you say? Well, hopefully that will be different in just a minute. Okay, I have a piece of cardstock here. It's NEENAH Classic Crest. It is cut to 4 by 5 1/4, and here goes attempt number 3. We're going to be using distressed oxide inks to blend a background out. Okay, this is what I have now, and it is way better than my first attempt. My first attempt was abysmal. This is much simpler, much cleaner. I like it a lot better. So, now I have to decide what I want to do for an actual card. I do have a card base here. I thought it matched the dark gray edge that I sort of blended around. It is more Simon Says stamp Slate cardstock. It is a top folding note card. It was cut at 4 1/4 and scored at 5 1/2. I do think I am going to round the edges with my envelope punch board, since all the Dragonfly wings are rounded. Also have here a piece of foam. It is cut to 4 3/4 by 3 3/4. I'm going to use to pop this up, but before I do that, I think I want to, let me figure out my sentiment actually. Let's do that first. Okay, I found in my stash these Want to Scrap self-adhesive sort of champagne colored pearls. I think they will look nice on this Dragonfly Christmas tree, so let's add those. And now I have these NOVO crystal drops in the color Antique Rose. I thought these were a very similar color, so I'm just going to dot a few more on because I really wanted more small ones, but I didn't have any more small ones, so hopefully I'll be able to make little dots with this. And maybe a star at the top. Okay, I'm too impatient to wait for this to totally dry, so I'm going to take my gray UNIPIN and draw the little ties for the Christmas bulbs to be on the tree. And then after I do that, I'm going to attach it to the foam. Actually, I'm going to attach the foam to the card base first. So then I just have to lay the tree on it, and it can continue drying, even though I'm impatient. Alright, and that's the card for day 6. Just as a reminder, this is the stamp we started off with. And this is what we came up with. Here's the inside. Please like if you liked this video. I'm sorry about the awful lighting at the end here. I'm filming in a location I'm not used to, so I don't have my lighting exactly figured out yet. But anyway, please subscribe for more Christmas card advent videos. I will be catching up. I do plan on finishing this month's advent, as well as Giftmas. I know I'm a little behind on that too. Like I said, unexpected things happened. But yeah, please be patient with me. Stay tuned for more. Also, if you are watching this video before January 15th, 2021, please check out my 13 Days of Giftmas giveaway. Every day I normally upload a video during the month of December, which is every Sunday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I will be giving away a little gift package, and each day will be a surprise. It could be anything from sets of alcohol brush markers, to watercolors, to bullet journals, and all the things you need to get started using them for each thing. Check out the introduction video for details, and come back once in a while to see what you can win as the videos are released. And with that, the next card for my Craftstash Advent Calendar is finished. Check back in to see what we're using tomorrow.